Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to schedule Microsoft AZ305 certification exam using 100 discount voucher step by step. I already logged on my account. Click certification, all exams. Here, touch AZ-305, search, click exams. Here we can see for United States 165, click schedule exam. Click next. I'm going to take an example on Pearson VU, so I select online, click next, select English, next, yes, yes, next. Check on all the books. Next. English, next.